Lesson 22, Session 1, page 494. What we are working on this week is comparing numbers. When we compare numbers, we are looking to see which side is more, which side is less. So if we have less here, I'm just going to make 4 here, and we have more on this side, all I need is one more to have more and one fewer or one less to have less. Another word for less is fewer than, and another word for more is greater than. Okay? And the side that has more, what I do is the side that has more gets 2 dots. The side that has fewer gets 1 dot. And I connect the dots like this. And then the side that has more goes into the cone like an ice cream cone, right? So it goes into the cone. Now you can have more on this side. If the object on the left is more or greater, it could have 2 dots. If it's fewer on this side, it has 1. And then I connect my dots. And the side that has more, oops, it's not letting me draw on there. The ice cream goes into the cone on that side. Okay, so let's move on. Here it says there are 34 apples. There are 27 bananas. Draw to compare the number of fruits. So here we have apples and so we have apples on this side. This is not a very good picture of an apple. And we have bananas on this side. Okay. For apples, it says there are 34 apples. For bananas, it says there are 27 bananas. It's important to look at your place value. So I like to make my t-chart. Make my t-chart for both sides. We have tens and we have ones. Tens and ones. And then we'll draw how many tens do we see. So the T for tens, tens is right here. It says there are 3 tens. 1 10, 2 tens, 3 tens. I'll label them 10, 10, 10. And there are 4 ones. 1 1, 2 ones, 3 ones, 4 ones. 3 tens and 4 ones. On this side, we have 27. How many tens do we have? There we are. 2 tens. So we'll draw 2 tens. 10 here, 10 here. And how many ones? 7 ones. 1 1, 2 ones, 3 ones, 4 ones, 5 ones, 6 ones, 7 ones. So while the ones, it looks like this side has more ones. Are ones, do these ones show a greater amount than the value of a 10 stick? No. The ones, here are 8 ones, right? Here are 4 ones. But over here, we have 10, 20, 30. And here we have 10, 20. If I just wrote the number 3 and the number 2, which number is more? 3 or 2? Right, 3 is greater than 2. And the tens place has a greater value than the ones place. So we could say 30 plus 4. Expanded form. Here we could do 20 plus 7. We can see that 30 is greater than 20. So the apples, there are more apples than there are bananas. Because there are more apples, I'm going to give this side 2 dots. There are fewer bananas, so I'm going to give 1 dot here, and then I will connect those dots. There are 34 apples, and there are 27 bananas. So which side is fewer? Fewer. Fewer means less, right? This side has less. You can see that this side has less because we put 1 dot here. And 20 is less than 30. So if this side is less or fewer, this side has to be more or greater. So here it says there are fewer what? There are fewer bananas. There are fewer bananas than apples. And there are more apples than bananas. Bananas. I'm going to fix that. So we could say 34 is greater than 27. We could also say 27 is fewer than 34.